Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever seen such kind of pictures जो बहुत ही vibrant और colorful होती हैं and you really need them in your house but they're a little over your budget? No need to worry, I am here with a new video to show how you can make all these pictures और वो भी within a budget at your home.
अच्छा, हमको सिखा रिया है.
So stay tuned and watch till the end to find out how I made my own picture gallery wall. And after so many trial and errors, how did I finally end up decorating my walls? So here's the final result. I ended up choosing really bright colorful pictures. फिर मैंने इन पेंटिंग्स को डिफरेंट वॉल्स पे ट्राई किया डिफरेंट चीज़ों के साथ एंड दिस इज़ वेयर आई फाइनली एंडेड अप विद and I really like the results. It gives the room more vibrance, more color, and if you like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.